Good morning. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. It is actually Saturday. My husband is here today. We are here to cover my walls because we start FSA next week, or our state assessment next week. But I wanted to come and say thank you for watching to all of my subscribers who've been here and love just to kind of see what my life is doing, since that's pretty much what I vlog about. And I wanted to send a shout out to my new subscribers. I have a couple new subscribers. However, when I checked out their page, there was no page. So I think that they're just YouTube viewers. So hi guys. And then I also wanted to shout out a new channel to check out. Ashley over at Coffee and Firsties. I'm now a coffee drinker with Ashley. Hi. I was able to check out her vlog this week and it was really great. And I also want to shout out to one of my old friends, old YouTube friends, and hopefully soon to be real life friends, Ruth over at Diary of a Mad Black Teacher. I'm coming up in a couple of weeks and hopefully we can get some coffee. So here's my week. See you next week. Wakanda. Check it out. So I got the bracelet and the earrings. Can you see this? Stay tuned. Here's my week. We did it again. My class won me a sub. I want to give a shout out to any of my Firsties that are watching. You guys rock. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is my Monday at 7:30. I am ready for the week. This weekend we had 3 Girl Scout events, so that was really fun. My girls, the girls that came to the big event on Saturday, had the chance to meet the CEO of our regional Girl Scouts. And they got a very, very special patch from her. So I'll show that to you guys. I took pictures, of course, but I can't show them. I can show one of them with Mia and I, but of course the rest I can't show. But this weekend was just full of Girl Scout events. I am tired this morning. I actually woke up with a headache. It's going to be all right. We're going to get through it. We have a Girl Scout meeting this afternoon. Girl Scout stuff is starting already. Someone just brought me some cash. So, and then this afternoon we have a Girl Scout meeting, and that's it. I have to go home and take some trainings because I didn't get a chance to do it this weekend. Between the Girl Scout events and lesson planning and grade booking, and my weekend was really packed. So I'll go home and hop online and take those classes today. My coffee's brewing. My computer's up and running. My morning meeting is ready. My work is ready for this morning. So we're going to be reading about George Washington Carver today. We're continuing with our IFP, our Instructional Focus Plan on poetry. So we're going to continue with that. And today I'm going to actually start talking, or I want to start talking about how poetry is connected to hip-hop, rap, and jazz, and all that good stuff. But I found a few worksheets on it, but it's not really that good, so we'll figure that out. And then in writing, we're going to talk about the difference between quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. And then this week we're actually going to get back into writing from text using, excuse me, using quotes, paraphrase, and summarizing. So yeah, here's my outfit. Just my wide leg elephant pants and my boots. School blue, just a little blue white beater underneath of there. So, all right, we'll see you tomorrow. Hi, how are you? It's my Tuesday. Um, it was a crazy night last night. I'm so tired. So tired. I didn't get out of here till about 5 o'clock from Girl Scouts. And then I was up for quite a while doing Girl Scout stuff yesterday. So I look like I failed today. It is what it is, right? It's going to be a great, great day. I don't think I'm getting sick again. We're not going to wish that on me. We have 3 weeks until spring break. And we're going to be all right until spring break. So today we're doing more text structure. Going to put that in their notebook. And then we're going to go to vocabulary. I love vocabulary. Fill in the blanks. The kids love it. They can rap along with the songs and then just fill in the blanks. And they're learning. And then we're also, still working on paraphrasing and summarizing. So today, I'm going to do another summary. The 5 W's. And then we're also going into poetry, which from my class is a reteach, but I'm not sure about the other classes, so we're going to treat it as a new subject. So, all right, here's my outfit. It's just a really, really plain, basic day. Like I said, I look like I feel today. Purple shirt, dark blue khakis. Oh, yeah. Good morning, or hello, hello. It is my Wednesday, and we're published authors. Our books came in yesterday, as I said last night before I left. I want to open it so bad, but I'm going to wait. So I did peek, but I really didn't peek too much, so I just kind of cracked it open. I'm so excited. So on top of my excitement, I'm super, super tired. So I'm going to take a mental health day this week. It's Wednesday. I want to take a mental health day this week. Hubs and I, after much blood, sweat, and tears, decided that I'll give up my spring break and we'll travel up to Michigan. And I'm going to go up and we're going to do some house hunting and hopefully find something and put a deposit down so that we can start moving in May, because he's going to be back and forth. So I want him to be comfortable in Michigan without us. So we'll be paying rent for houses, 2 houses in Michigan and here in Florida for May, and then hopefully by June 1st we'll be out of here. And while I'm up there, I plan on getting lots of interviews done. Feels like something's on my lips. I plan on getting lots of interviews done, so I'm going to start looking tonight. I actually started looking, and I told you guys my plan last week. I'm going to just go up and start substituting. So I don't even know the interview process. That's what I'm going to start looking up tonight. I don't even know the process to be a substitute and start all that stuff off. So I'm going to do that, and my plan is to put the kids in the closest school, whether it's public, private, charter, whatever it is, the closest school to the house. And then my plan is to substitute around the county, the district, and find the best school, that will fit our needs. And then I'm going to pull my kids from whatever school they're in and take them to where I am. So that's the plan. We'll see how it works. It's a very exciting day. As I said, we have the unraveling of the book happening today. I'm not sure if it'll be in this weekly vlog or if I'm going to make an entirely separate video because it's so exciting. Here's my outfit. flowery pants and my 90s shoes. Just my black work shirt. I do have my jacket, but I'm okay right now. I'll put it on in a little bit, but I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, it's Thursday. Hang down. So yesterday we got our books. We are published authors. If you did not see my video, there's going to be a card popping out, as well as you can check it out in the description box. I'm going to link it in the descriptions. So that was so exciting. The art teacher came by and took lots of pictures of us opening them, and so I'm really, really excited to see what's going to happen behind that. Today we're just continuing what we've been learning all week: text structure, still more about drama, so that we can compare and contrast poetry, drama, and prose. Today I would like to play a game, but yesterday I planned a little too much and none of the fourth graders got everything complete yesterday. So we're going to finish up what we started yesterday. And now I'm going through my stack, which all of this is supposed to be done by Thursday and Friday. Mind you, it's like 50 copies, 60 copies of everything. So there's tests and other just activities that I had planned for this week that I might just have to put into their center work. So we'll see. It's going to be a great day. Yesterday was, and it's not my students, it's not the parents, it's not the administration, it's just a coworker. So I don't want to get into it. I went home, I thought about it, and it is what it is. I just have to be me and just, keep going. I have 3 months left here, and I've made lots of friends, and what do you do about one coworker? I don't know. But here's my outfit. Just a red shirt and a black turtleneck and my school jacket. So it's warm outside, but it's chilly in here. All right, I'll see you Friday. Good morning, it's Friday. We made it. And since we're being honest, it was one of the hardest days for me to get up. I don't know. I just need a personal day. But I felt guilty because I don't feel sick physically, so I said, let me just get up and go ahead and, the kids need me. But I really should have just taken a day for myself. We're getting ready to start our state testing, and it's blackout days, meaning we can't take them off. So it's going to be a good day. Like I said, I feel okay, just I need a day, and the weekends they don't work. Tomorrow, for instance, I have 4 cookie booths, 4. So I'm busy all day tomorrow. And then Sunday, I have 2 cookie booths. Lesson planning, grading. I have no time. And I just need a day where I can turn my phone off. But I decided to come in today, so it's Friday. It's pretty much assessments, excuse me, all day. That still doesn't matter. I'm still here, but so I watched a couple videos, and one of them I just found, she'll be mentioned in my must-see channels, and her video was about how to get through this slump. So one thing is that I'm glad I'm not alone. I'm really, really glad I'm not alone. We have about 2.5, maybe 3 weeks until spring break. And even then, I'm not getting a break. We're traveling to Michigan so I can go on some interviews and put our deposit down for our house. So even then, I don't get a break. I should have taken today. But like I said, we have state testing next week, which means everything on my walls has to be covered. I'm taking that down. I'm taking the hopes and dreams down. I'm taking that one down. I'll just cover that stuff back here. Cover that. Everything has to be covered or taken down, and the kids' desks have to be completely cleaned out. So that's another reason I came in today. I'm coming in tomorrow to do my walls. But, all right, it's Friday. I hate to end the week off complaining because it is going to be a good day. Hopefully I'll be able to come back and tell you. I did go shopping yesterday for my class, and I got some popcorn and some mints and stuff like that. So, and then I came in this morning and my mailbox has money and notes about cookies. And so here's my outfit. This is a little skirt that one of my students gave me 2 years ago. Hopefully, like I said, I'll be back to close out the vlog and tell you just how awesome today was. So it's Friday. It's my lunchtime. Told you guys that I really wanted to come back and tell you how my day ended up going. I'm glad I did come in. So many teachers are absent. So much so we had to split one of the 4th grade classes because they didn't have a substitute for one of the 4th grade teachers being out. So I am glad that I came in. The day is going pretty smoothly, even though I have 10 extra children in my room. So now I have 32 kids here today. Either way, the teacher that is here with me, she just went to the store to get me a Slurpee to help make the last 3 hours go past. I had to end up canceling my car line for cookies today because the other 2 co-teachers or troop leaders, one of them is not here, and then the other one, she has to have open office hours because grades are coming and the kids want to fix their grades all of a sudden. So my day is going. It's almost at the end. It's 12:30, and I have about 20 more minutes before I have to get my kids for lunch. So I'm going to eat my lunch, my free sub that my kids won for me. You can't beat free. And chocolate for my kids. And because today was test day, I got mints and things like that, which I already told you about this morning. And also, it's our Fun Friday, so we've got popcorn and a movie tonight, or today. And they beat me bad. I don't know if you can see that corner. They won every single day this week. And so they also have popsicles. So popsicles, popcorn, and a movie for the last hour today. We have to clean our desk out when they get back from lunch because we start our testing next week and desks have to be clean. So we're going to do that and relax for the rest of the day. So it will end up being a good day. I had to tie my hair up, kept getting in my face. You know how that is. Thanks for watching my vlog. Think about subscribing. Make sure you like it. Leave a comment so I know you're here. See you next week. Here's my room, ready for testing. Took a lot down. Covered up a lot. Hi, honey. I'm gonna have to just erase my whole board. That's fine, it's no big deal. Erase that whole board too. All of that stuff above and below is gone. All behind my desk. It's all gone. From the ceiling to the floor. Nah, that's not how it goes. All right, bye.